The conclusion here, I have said this since before, long before this ever broke out between her and Justin Baldoni, that we have to compartmentalize.
Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's Courtroom saga has taken yet another dramatic turn, leaving fans and critics captivated by every shocking development. What initially seemed like a straightforward legal dispute between a Hollywood director and his star has spiraled into an all-encompassing scandal involving gag orders, leaked documents, high-profile allies, and allegations of betrayal. Now, with Valentine's Day looming as a pivotal deadline for Lively's legal team to file their counterattack, the case has become a full-blown spectacle. Observers are left wondering just how deep this conflict runs and what other revelations may come to light. The most recent courtroom clash unfolded during a pretrial hearing that many expected to be routine. Instead, tensions escalated rapidly when the judge denied a gag order sought by Lively's team, allowing Baldoni and his attorneys to continue releasing documents that challenge Lively's narrative.
Going to sue Blake Lively too?
Into oblivion, Megan. Wait till you see this lawsuit.
Oh boy. Well, for what?
This setback left her legal counsel scrambling to regain control of the situation. Speculation quickly mounted that Lively's team was preparing for a major legal maneuver, with rumors of a looming bombshell set to be filed by mid-February. Though the specifics remain unclear, the mere mention of such a move has set Hollywood buzzing with anticipation. Meanwhile, Baldoni's legal strategy has become increasingly aggressive. His attorneys have leaned heavily on the trove of evidence they've already made public, including text messages, emails, and testimonials from cast and crew members. These documents portray Lively as a calculated figure who may have manipulated events to suit her own agenda. One particularly damaging revelation involved private messages in which Lively allegedly coordinated behind-the-scenes efforts to control the film's direction, going so far as to exclude Baldoni from key decisions during post-production. Perhaps the most shocking twist, however, has been the sudden involvement of Ryan Reynolds, Lively's husband, in the unfolding drama.
Lively is not a good person. So no matter what happens in this lawsuit, no matter who wins in the end, do not let it distract.
Once seen as a close collaborator and friend of Baldoni, Reynolds has reportedly shifted his stance, with leaked texts revealing scathing remarks about the director. This abrupt change has fueled speculation that personal disputes over creative control or deeper interpersonal conflicts may have contributed to the fallout. Some even suggest that external pressures or rival interests may be at play, driving a wedge between the two men. Adding another layer of intrigue is Lively's apparent determination to shield her inner circle from the fallout. Reports indicate that she has requested a special protective order to prevent the legal proceedings from dragging third parties, most notably her close friend Taylor Swift, into the fray. While it remains unclear whether Swift is directly connected to the case, her name alone has heightened public interest in the drama. Fans and celebrity watchers are now questioning whether Lively's protective measures signal a genuine concern for her friend's privacy or a calculated attempt to control the narrative. The role of an intimacy coordinator on the film set has also become a contentious point.
Okay, and that's largely due to the fact that she is a modern feminist, and so she has to create struggle.
While such positions are typically seen as a safeguard for actors during sensitive scenes, rumors suggest that the coordinator's efforts to foster communication among the cast may have inadvertently highlighted underlying tensions. Lively's absence from a key meeting organized by the coordinator has drawn criticism from some quarters, with skeptics suggesting that her decision to skip the session was emblematic of deeper issues within the production. As more details surface, the once cohesive image of the It Ends With Us cast and crew has unraveled. Testimonials that initially painted Baldoni as a supportive and collaborative leader now appear sharply at odds with private messages that suggest hidden frustrations and distrust. Similarly, Lively, who was previously lauded for her on-set camaraderie, now finds herself accused of spearheading a legal campaign that could cast several colleagues in a negative light.
Ryan and Blake and two other of her friends all staged a mass unfollowing of Joe Alwyn.
What makes this case even more extraordinary is its potential to redefine how Hollywood handles internal disputes. The legal battle has already exposed the industry's reliance on carefully curated public narratives, revealing the stark contrast between the polished facade presented to fans and the raw tensions simmering behind the scenes. As observers piece together accounts from all sides, It's clear that this saga is more than just a celebrity feud. It's a reflection of the high-stakes environment where reputations can be destroyed by a single leaked text or misstep. As the countdown to Valentine's Day continues, the anticipation surrounding Lively's next move grows. Many expect her legal team to unveil new evidence that could upend the narrative and reshape public perceptions of the case. Others wonder whether additional emails, videos, or testimonies might emerge to further complicate matters. Regardless of what comes next, one thing is certain.
Of evidence, admissions, documents, which prove exactly what she did.
The fallout from this dispute could have lasting consequences, not just for Lively and Baldoni, but for the entire industry. With so many moving pieces and high-profile players involved, the stakes have never been higher. Will Lively and her team succeed in turning the tide, or will Baldoni's evidence solidify his defense and further undermine her claims? And what role will figures like Reynolds and Swift ultimately play as the case unfolds? As Hollywood and the public watch this drama unfold, it's clear that the final chapters of this saga have yet to be written. What do you think? Are Blake Lively's actions justified, or is this a calculated attempt to rewrite the narrative? Is Justin Baldoni unfairly targeted, or does the evidence suggest a more complex story? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on this ever-evolving scandal. Stay tuned. This is far from over.